Good morning, guys. Bitcoin finally moving down, doing something, but it hit exactly where we were expecting it to hit on the bottom of our, I don't know if we could have done this any perfectlier, is that a word? Right at the bottom of the zone that we were calling here, we literally stopped and bounced back up. So yes, we started to move down, but guys, the scalping opportunities in crypto right now are insane. Guys, please go back and watch the video I just did, one a couple of days ago. We won the scalping trade that we did on May 24th. We won the two prior to that, and I just came out with a new one to show you guys and how a trader took $100 turned into $3,000 with our indicators. Insane. It was crazy. So guys, let's talk about this on Bitcoin today. Guys, the people making the money are those scalping the markets right now, okay? Let's dive into this today and we'll do a little bit of analysis, but I also wanted to show you guys how to make money. The analysis is great, but let's make some money in these markets. So here's what we're looking at right now. We're looking at a sideways channel on Bitcoin. How do you get into this market and start making money? It is using these two indicators. I'm going to just talk about these a lot in these videos because this is where the money is being made right now, and you can see these from the testimonials that we have. Okay, I'm going to make this video simple. Here's how all you guys do. Get the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. These are available in what's called our bundle pack. You guys have 5 days left and we're going to up the price. Okay, 5 days left. It's a May sale we've had been going on here, and you guys are going to get them all for 84% off for only the 5 more days, and then we're going to be upping the price. Okay, watch how you do this. All you're looking for is two things. I have the price turned off. You guys, this is on, this is off. Great. So we can continue here. Here's what you're going to watch for. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section. And you're looking for the well money flow to be low at the same time. When you guys see this, you are just looking for entries into the market here. So let's do it a vertical line. Let's go vertical line right here, okay? Once you have this in the market, what you're looking for is just the trend exhaustion to get to the top red section up here, or looking for 4% profit, okay? So let's come in here and actually look at some price ranges that we did, on Ethereum. We did this the other day. We're looking at this move back up, okay? The next time the trend exhaustion got to the top red section, we're just gonna be honest about everything, guys. It was about 2.80%. Awesome. Let's go to the next one over here. Trend exhaustion at the bottom red section over here, and the well money flow wasn't super low. So here is how this is keeping you guys safe. Pair them together. I would never be taking this because this is not low on well money flow. Come over here, take a look at this over here. I would not be taking this one because it's not super low. Look, if you did, you guys are doing decently well because you could have rode it from the bottom to the top. And if you guys are trading this strategy, just let me show you guys, where you're going to the bottom red section, which is on this candle right here, it's actually right there, and then you guys are trading to the top of the red section on the trend exhaustion, you're about 1.69%. If you're coming down here and you're looking at the bottom red section right when it got hit, don't cherry pick, don't cheat, guys, and exactly when trend exhaustion at the top red section here, you're looking at another about 5% there. Okay, I know they're overlapping, but I just want to show you guys how to do this. Now, moving to the right, trend exhaustion low. Well money flow wasn't super low here, but even if you guys got into this drop right over here and you guys got in, and you're looking for this when trend exhaustion is high again, let's pull the exact percentage. It's on this candle right here. Let's go to the top when this exactly moves to the top section. You guys are looking at about a 2.58%. This is scalping trades over and over and over. Next time trend exhaustion hits the bottom red section is right here. This is really high, and wells are actually buying into this, so we don't want to do that. Come over here, trend exhaustion's low. What do you guys see? Well money flow is low as well. That's right down here. When's the next time the trend exhaustion got to the top red section? It was right up here for about a 4.60% profit. Do you guys see how scalping is the best way to be making money right now? Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section. Are wells selling? Yes, we see the line moving down. I know it's not super low, but the line is moving down and selling. It's way better than coming over here and seeing the market actually start moving up during that time period. So looking at this over here, the entry was right at the bottom here. The next time the trend exhaustion got high, this wasn't much, guys. I'm just gonna be honest. It was only about 2.20. But that's compound interest in your guys' accounts. Okay, then come over here. Trend exhaustion low here with the bottom section. We're seeing it drop off here. This guy over here originally came down, hit the bottom red section right there. So we're seeing it up at the top here. Would you guys end up taking this? I don't know. You have to decide that for yourself. Let's say you ended up taking this. If you did, trend exhaustion high here, you're looking at this about taking out an exit right about here. So let's just be honest. Let's say let's call that a negative 2.67. Obviously, you guys have made 4 or 5 times that already. I'm just going to be honest with this analysis, guys. I don't like when people come in there, they just show you all the good stuff and don't actually talk about the real stuff that happened. Trend exhaustion, bottom red section, well money flow low, down around these areas here. The next time trend exhaustion got up here was just a real really small little move, about 1.43%. Okay, that's all right. Let's just keep things real. Trend exhaustion low again. You guys are looking to get in on this lower level here. I know it's hard to see here, but it's right behind here on these candles. You guys got in right about this section here, trend exhaustion high. You're looking at this profit of about 2.55%. All right, let's do this again. Again, I'm just hounding this home, guys. Trend exhaustion low and well money flow looking to be low. This is really, really high, guys, for a well money flow. I wouldn't be looking to enter into this at all. But if you guys did, I'm just going to show you, you're looking at about right here, and you're looking at an exit that's going to be right about this area, about 1.41. Guess what you guys got this morning? You guys got trend exhaustion in the bottom red section and well money flow low. It's either on this candle or this candle here, guys. Most likely you got in right here because this candle did not close, but you guys are currently sitting up at the moment about 0.61%. Or if you did end up catching this at the bottom down here, no one caught the bottom, I know that for sure. If you guys got in here, you might be sitting up here close to, I would say, about 2.08% right now. I'm just showing you guys, this is the best time to be scalping these markets. It's with the indicators. And did you guys see what I did there? You entered into the bottom when the trend exhaustion was low, and you exited when the trend exhaustion was high. And the confirmation of the best percentages in here is when well money flow is low as well. When you're pairing these up together, that's when the markets are really dipping down, and then we're seeing the biggest climbs back up. Okay, it's really, really awesome here to actually be able to pair these together, watch the sinking up that's happening, the market dropping down really low here, and that's when the big boy moves start coming. Guys, this is money you're just making in your accounts once you guys see this, okay? It's awesome. I love doing these videos because it's just actually real practical just analysis of how to make money in crypto, because that's why we're all here, okay? I know I didn't go over this a lot, but let's talk about the metrics real quick. If you guys want to make this even better and turn this into a scalping strategy, here's what you guys can do. Make sure you guys are using good risk management on your scalps. You guys can watch the scalping video. Besides Luna, we've never lost a trade. Let me show this to you real quick so you guys have a video to watch today. Click this right here. You guys can watch this. Again, outside of Luna, which is an anomaly because it just crashed, came in and pegged, this has never lost a trade. Even on Matic, guys, who entered into the Matic trade, it has not lost yet because you haven't hit the last buy limit, okay? So anyways, all the profits down here you guys can see of people doing. It's awesome. Let me show you how to use good risk management now with the strategy I just showed you. Because some of you guys are going to come in here and you're going to be like, all right, sweet, I'm jacked. I'm just going to trade this back and forth. You can do that and you'll do well. You clearly have made a ton of money here with one loss in here of, what was it, 2.67? Yeah, 2.67. But you've got 2.8, 5%. That's overlapping another one over here, which is probably about 2%, 2.58, 4.6, 2.2, 1.4. Like, obviously you guys are making money. Here's the deal. When you see trend exhaustion low here and well money flow low, please, guys, use some risk management. Here's what you do. If you guys see that setup on trend exhaustion, I would suggest using at least 3 buy limits. So if you guys have $1,000 in the market, I would personally look to, I'm not a financial advisor. Please hear me out, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you guys what we're doing and what traders are doing, and they're being successful. If you have $1,000, split it into 3 equal portions. $333 can go at a market order immediately when you see trend exhaustion low and well money flow low. Great, you're in the market. And then you can look to take the other 2/3, okay, 1/3 at this buy limit, 1/3 at this buy limit. This will give you risk management. In case crypto starts crashing down here, you will hit your first buy limit and your break-even entry will go between the first and second. You hit your third one and your break-even entry will move between this area. You guys need to understand this is the best way to trade crypto, because if Bitcoin fakes us out here and actually goes back down again, you need to have another buy limit and another one down here to help move your break-even entry down further. How do you calculate that? You do this. Go to our website, go to resources at the bottom, scroll down once you're a member, and click this. This will give you guys a break-even calculator. You guys can make a copy of this. Use this. Put in your first market order or buy limit and put the money you invested. Put the amount of money you invested and the second buy limit price. Put the third buy limit price and the money you invested. However many you hit of each. And this will calculate your guys' exact break-even entry. If you're scalping, you're going for 4%. If you're not scalping, you're simply looking for trend exhaustion to come back up. Guys, this entry you're getting right now on this channel is insane. Watch for trend exhaustion to get to the top red section again, and then you guys can exit this trade. Let me show you how to set up an alert because it gets even better, and we'll kind of land this thing after this. Come over here, go to trend exhaustion, and I want you guys to go to watch for drop. We don't care about the pump. We're already here. Go watch for drop. You guys can do both, but watch for drop once per bar, and come down here and do watch for drop and do BTC, because we're just on Bitcoin right now, like this. You guys will now get an alert to your phone or your email or whatever you guys want once the white line has pushed into the top red section, which is right here. Why is this important? Because if you guys look to see what's happened in the past with the red line being hit up here, this is where market moves down are coming. Guys, look at this, like literally calling these moves almost every single time in the market. Trend exhaustion is high up here, calling that move back down. You can see it high over here. It's calling the reversal back down in the market. Drop, 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 drop. Even the moves over here, we can see the drops back down in the market. Even if they're small, we are seeing this. And we can see them over here. I'm just covering up before we saw that drop there. That's why you guys need to be using these, okay? I don't know what else to talk about in this video. That's pretty much it, guys. The testimonials are ridiculous. This guy literally took $150 and turned it into $3,000. We just got this testimonial in yesterday. Insane. And he's using the indicators. I'll show you guys another one down here. This guy's like, ever since I started using the indicators and following them to a T, I've been undefeated in my trades. Guys, besides Luna, we are 122 wins and only 1 loss. And that loss was on Luna. Okay? It's crazy. He made $5,000 in a single week. This guy down here, he's like, I'm using the trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow, making about $4,000 a month. That is pretty ridiculous. Maybe I'll throw this into the title for you guys just to kind of give you an alert. Be like, look, you guys can do pretty well with these. And I want to come out with these videos because this is like prime time to be making money, guys. The metrics that you guys can access, it's just $95 a month. That's how you guys access all these. You need them for the scalping strategy. Telegram channel for all the entries and exits, the master classes you guys can all watch, the community chat, and every single month I go live with you guys. The best membership to get metrics of whales, of what the whales are doing, the Telegram channel, and everything else you guys need here. This is where you guys want to be for literally the cheapest price you can probably get on all line for any type of membership like this. And the indicators, do make note of this. Snag them today in the description. You guys will not be able to get these indicators lower than this price. This is our best sell possible. Okay? We are going to up the price of our indicators in 5 days. So make sure you're not missing this, okay? You are going to get the source codes as well as the lifetime access, one-time purchase, that's obvious. And then you're also going to get the source codes to all the indicators so nobody can take them away from you. All of these indicators you guys will get. The 3 that I use right here, it's going to be cheaper to get the bundle pack here today versus buying them individually. If anybody has purchased our indicators individually and you guys are like, look, I want to take advantage of the sale, do that. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, betradeconfident@gmail.com, and you guys can just get a PayPal invoice and we'll give you the difference so you can get all 9 indicators. If you've purchased one, that's great. We'll give you the difference with the coupon code activated so you get the cheapest price, and we'll give you guys all the indicators today. If you've done that, do that. Please do that today within the next 5 days before this week is over so you guys can get the best deal. All right, guys, an exact bounce on our support line. I've never seen a more perfect bounce possible, but we're starting to head back up. So anybody took the scalping trade? You're up 1.21% now, guys. Congratulations. If this heads back up to the top, you're looking about 5 to 6%. The only reason why I'm not taking this, guys, is because the market's moving back up here a little bit from the drop. I already have all my money in here. Like, I'm already making hundreds of dollars on this move up right now because we have our portfolio. Break even is $150,000 and we're at $77,426. So from the drop and the rebound back up, we've already made about $200-300 this morning. Now, make this clear. That's not break even. $150,000 is. I'm just sharing with you guys one of the reasons why I'm not taking this because all my money's in the trade. I'm making money as this goes up right now. Are you? Let's see if you are. Scalp these markets, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Have an amazing day, and maybe you'll be like these guys over here that does $4,000 every month with the indicators. That's pretty awesome. Or maybe the guy that did $150 and turned it into $3,000. Crazy, guys. Have a good one. The indicators are linked in the description. Snag them before the prices go up in 5 days. And make sure you guys have a membership as well so you guys can take advantage of all the trade setups, Telegram channel, community chat, the master classes, and all the whale metrics that we have for all these coins. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.